This is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. The phone. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency?
Oh no! Forest fire has broken out! We ask the firemen to put out the fire.
Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, the forest fire is spreading. We need to act quickly. Hank is going to set up fireproof barrier to prevent the fire from spreading. Momo and I are going to put out the fire. Drive an excavator to set up a fireproof barrier to prevent the spread of the fire. There is debris blocking the mountain road. Let's get rid of it. Fireproof barrier is ready. Let's check out the fire. Kiki, the fireproof barrier has been set up and the fire is under control. Now we need to hurry up and put out the fire. The fire is put out. Let's check the forest to see if there is any residual source of fire. Oh no! It's a crown fire! Use a water gun to put it out quickly! Cut down trees to prevent the fire from spreading! It's surface fire. Use a pneumatic extinguisher to put it out. Sprinkle them with chemical fire retardants to prevent them from reigniting. Kiki, the forest fire has been completely put out. Forest firefighting task is complete. Whoa! Whoa! Should Whiskers play in the forest when forest fire breaks out? You are right! Keep away from forest when forest fire breaks out. Should Ho-Ho set off firecrackers in the forest? You are right! Playing with the fire in the forest can cause a forest fire. Should Whiskers call the fire station for help when forest fire breaks out? You are right! Whoa! Whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew.
The mine has collapsed and the miner is buried inside. We ask the firemen for help.
Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, the mine has collapsed, and the miners are buried inside. We need to rescue them immediately. Okay, Hank and I will get ready to get into the mine. Put on protective equipment. Searchlight. Protective mask. Explosion-proof toolkit. Folding stretcher. Searchlight. Protective mask. Life detector. Lifting air cushion. The equipment is ready. Come on, let's set out quickly. The mine may collapse at any time. Let's hurry up. Tap and hold. It's a miner's hat. Check out for miner with the life detector. Tap on corresponding number key to see which frequency band can receive sound waves. There is a signal! The miner's sound waves are around here. Let's check it out. Oops! The support frame of the mine is broken. The support frame is fixed. Let's hurry up. Oh no! Falling rocks are blocking the road. Break the rocks quickly. The road is cleared. Find the trapped miner quickly. Oh no! The miner is trapped by collapsed slates! Let's get him out! Drag the lifting air cushion and put it under the slates. Turn the gas cylinder switch to inflate the air cushion. Great! The miner is saved! Let's get out of the mine! Momo, we helped the miner out. Let's send him to a nearby hospital for treatment. Yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete. Yoo-hoo! Should Ho-Ho keep away from the collapse when it happens? You are right! Should workers protect their mouths and noses against dust inhaling in the event of a collapse? You are right! Awesome! Should worker hit pipes to call for help when they are trapped by the collapse? You are right!